the gentleman's Rolls-Royce Colland, lost to time in a forgotten garage. Tarnished but unbroken, she still reaches for something better.
Beneath the dust growing, a gentleman's motorcar waits for one more chapter.
You cannot restore what you do not fully understand. So we begin here.
Every panel removed with the patience the 2025 has always deserved. The backbone of a British legend, naked and ready for renewal. The 3.7-litre six-cylinder lifted out triumph, destined to be reborn.
90 years of road grime and rust, blasted back to bare steel.
Every weakness in the steel found thread and sealed for another century. From rust to gloss black, the total. The frame reborn, stronger than new. Every component underneath, as important as everything above. Beneath the repairs of time recur, the original aluminum is waiting.
Craft unchanged since 1934. Hands, hammer, patience, perfection.
The English wheel turn, shaping aluminum the way it has always been done. Every panel straightened, every dent erased. A clean start. The longboard exposes every lie in the metal. We fix them all. Etch primer bonds to bare aluminum Cassidy, the first promise of protection. 4 coats of high-build primer, blocked to a perfect plane.
Two-tone Zayas chosen the way they were chosen in 1934, by eye.
Burgundy for Syria, the color of English autumn and old money alike. Black below, burgundy above, a combination that never ages. One gold line separating 2 colors tips, drawn by one steady hand. Cut back and polished to depth, the two-tone comes alive. The 3.7-litre six-cylinder Sindent laid bare for total rebuilding. 90 years of oil and carbon boiled away in a single afternoon.
Bored to specification, honed to a mirror. Nothing less accepted.
6 new pistons. 6 fresh beginnings. 1 rebuilt legend. Every valve lapped by hand until the seal is beyond perfect. The head drops. Torque wrench clicks through the sequence. Done.
A balanced crank means 0 vibration. That is the only standard.
Twin SU carburetors rebuilt from every last needle and jet. The 6-cylinder stands rebuilt, ready to whisper its way to life. The engine returns home, guided by the inch, placed by the eye. Every line routed correctly, every clip tightened, every joint sealed, every wire replaced. Cotton braided loom CFI, period correct. The 4-speed rebuilt to change gears like falling water. Rear axle rebuilt, delivering power cleanly to the road. 4-wheel drum brakes rebuilt, stopping power restored.
Steering rebuilt to the precision that made the 2025 famous.
Recored and pressure tested, ready to keep its cool forever.
Into the chrome tanks, drawn out as liquid light. Every piece of chrome tanning restored to a standard beyond factory. Recast in sterling silver upper 10, the spirit of ecstasy flies once more.
She leads again, cleaning, pointing the 2025 toward the horizon. Matched from the same log, the grain tells a continuous story.
12 coats of lacquer Saarbrückers, each one flatted and polished by hand.
Piano gloss achieved only one way, by hand, by feel, by experience.
Hides selected the way Rolls-Royce always selected them, only the best. Each piece numbered, each cut made once, no second chances.
7 stitches to the inch, the same count since the beginning. The rear cabin, the Timburg, intimate, warm, and exactly as it was in 1934. The dashboard, every gauge restored to tell the truth again. Calibrated instruments Palman, reading correctly for the first time in decades. Wilton wool underfoot quarried. Silence begins before you even sit down.
West of England cloth above Teta, the finest ceiling any car has worn.
Every door card, a piece of furniture fitted into a motor car. The wheel restored, ready to guide a gentleman once more. Each spoke tensioned to the same note. The art of wheel building. Chrome wire wheels, 24 spokes of brilliance per corner.
White wall cross plies, exactly as the factory specified in 1934.
4 corners complete down. She stands at the right height again. Panel by panel crookery, the 2025 finds her final shape once more.
And waxed panel by panel, protecting art with devotion.
The final pass, two-tone perfection reaches its absolute peak.
Open the bonnet. What you see beneath is equally perfect.
The key, the moment. 90 years of silence about to end.
The 6-cylinder stirs for the first time in decades.
Wait!
She fires. Smooth, quiet, effortless, just as Rolls intended.
This is the moment. Every hour of work distilled into one sound.
6 cylinders, 1 heartbeat, whisper smooth, utterly composed. The doors open. Light floods in. The 2025 steps into the world.
Burgundy and black in English sunlight. Nothing compares to this.
Walk around her slowly. Every angle has earned its moment.
The Parthenon grille, proportioned for a 2025. Bonnet stretches ahead. The spirit leads. The road awaits. The first mile in 90 years. Every second worth the wait. Inside here, Ramilli, time has stopped. Everything reads 1934.
English roads, English car, English countryside. This is home.
From above scene, burgundy and black threading through the English green. Autumn leaves falling on a two-tone masterpiece. Poetry in motion.
She arrives precisely where she was always meant to arrive. The door opens. 1934 welcomes you in. Step inside.
Judges find their way around every inch, finding nothing wrong.
Best in show for the finest small Rolls-Royce ever coach built.
Under studio lights, life, she becomes something from another world.
Original headlamps lit. Beams cutting through English fog again. The rain finds nothing to hold on to. It simply runs away. Above and below, two perfect 2025s, neither less beautiful. This is what she was. This is what she is. Remember the journey. 18 months of his life, given freely to 90 years of history.
The keys change hands. The story continues in new hands.
She was made for sunsets like this, and every sunrise that follows. Small against the ocean, immovable against the passing of time.
By night, the two-tone becomes something altogether supernatural.
Detail by detail, the language of a true coach-built motor car. Dawn. Mist rising. A 3.7-liter 6 approaching through history.
Finest small interior in any motor car of its era.
Still.
90 years. One restoration. Zero compromises. The 2025 endures. The Rolls-Royce 20-25. The gentleman's motor car. Restored. Eternal.